Before start, can you see on the screen the pictures of the ETABS versions, different versions on which you will work for long term and enhance your skills on ETABS. I have been using versions 18 as usual. Hello and welcome to our ETABS tutorial series. My name is Waseem Abbas and I will be guiding you through the basics of ETABS. In this video, we will introduce you to ETABS and get you started with structural analysis and designs. So let's get started. Come to the screen and we will. What is ETABS? ETABS basically works on two categories. The simple strategy is ETABS equal to structural analysis and its design. I'm sure you will take no longer to enhance your skills on ETABS. ETABS is a powerful software for structural analysis and designs developed by computer and structures industry (CSR). ETABS helps engineers and designers to analyze complex structure, including buildings, bridges, and more. This is the interface of the ETABS. ETABS version I have been using since 2022. This is the structure analysis and designs. With ETABS, you can create detailed models applying loads, analysis structures to ensure they meet safety and performance requirements. You have to think about why we are using and why we have been taking too much time to learn ETABS. Basically, it helps beginners, which are engineers or architects, who have to design and analysis the more complex structure designs. These features makes ETABS an industry standard tools for structural engineers and architects. Now come to the point to point out its key features, what the key features ETABS provides you. Key features I have highlighted. Some key features of ETABS include advanced. First of all, it has advanced analysis capabilities for static and dynamic loads, and the second is powerful modeling tools for complex structures. Third is integrated design and detailing for various materials. Fourth is automated load calculations and combinations. And the last key feature is it is my favorite key feature, interactive results display and reporting. So these 5 key features you won't have knowledge, but now you are able to learn these. These are not key features only, but it is it enhance your skills on ETABS using ETABS. So my recommendation is, full and final recommendation is, you will be find out and search out ETAB and install it on your computer or laptop you have, and watch my video, and then use all the cases I will upload in my next upcoming videos, future videos. Day to day I will be uploading my future videos. So these 5 key features will enhance your skills. I hope you understand these key features of using ETABS. And lastly, I how could I define you that why you have choice to using ETABS? So it will benefit it for everyone, for basically designer and architects, structure designer and architects. So ETABS provides you benefits. Most of benefits are on screen. I already typed and describing you that benefits of using ETABS is improved accuracy and efficiency. I think you don't have. It will enhance and improve your accuracy and efficiency in analysis and designs. Analysis and designs you learn inshallah in our upcoming videos. And benefit of the second benefit is enhance collaboration and communication among your team members. If you have a team, a good team to be on project on every perspective, if you have a team, then you will be enhance your collaboration and communication. So ETABS provides you it most benefited. And the third one is increase productivity and reduce project timelines. Your time is best, and it will provide you productivity and reduce your project timeline, which you are already in. And the last is compliance with various designs, codes and standards. You don't know about the codes and standards of using ETABS, but inshallah you will learn soon how ETABS works and what are those codes and design and standards to using ETABS for structure designing and analysis. So these benefits are most benefits to enhance your skills on ETABS. ETABS will provide you every time, but it will highly recommended that practically it will provide you. But if you are not interested, lack of interest, you will provide, then you won't able to learn all these skills. So please, highly recommended, if you have a time or you are interested in ETABS, then you will go through the ETABS and watch my videos. So I have told you that what are the key features of using ETABS and including its benefits. Now come to the end sessions provide is now. Let's take a look at the ETABS interface. You will see various menus, toolbars, and windows that will help you navigate use of the software. Inshallah, we will dive deeper into these features in future videos. For now, let's focus on getting familiar with the interface only. I hope you understand all these timelines, key features, getting started with interface, and using ETABS. Everything I have defined you and told you that. That's it for today's introduction to ETABS. We have covered the basics of softwares, key features, benefits, and getting started. In this video, we will explore ETABS interface in details, structure, design, and analysis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel ETABS tutorials and structural engineering content.